Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a skit called LPS Airplane Skit. I hope you enjoy. Bye! Ugh. Mommy, let's sit over here. Okay, sweetheart. Mommy, where do you sit? Let's sit over here, sweetheart. Ow, I'm okay. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Food is here. I'm going to start at the front row. The back row, actually. Okay. What would you guys like? What do you want, honey? Ice cream. She wants some ice cream, please. Okay. There's your ice cream, little one. Okay. What do you want, ma'am? Can I have a pineapple? I'm on a diet and I need lots of sleep. So I bring my pillow and my blanket. So just down there. Yeah, I want a pineapple, please. Okay. There you go. Enjoy. Just pull it from the back. Okay, sir. What would you like to eat? Do you have any, like, breakfasty foods? I have a bag of cereal, breakfasty foods. I have donuts, egg. I'll take the egg. Okay. There's your egg. Enjoy. Okay, what would you like to eat, ma'am? Can I have like a chocolatey, kind of like a s'more, except that's chocolate drizzled on top, and I think something like a cherry or whipped cream. Okay, so chocolate drizzled on top. The only thing we have with drizzled on top is this. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's really good. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, what do you want? Any healthy food? I have a raspberry. Good enough. What about a pretzel? Yeah, I have a pretzel. Can I have the pretzel? Of course. There you go. Oh, just here. There we go. Enjoy, ma'am. You lovely ladies want anything? 3 minutes later. For you, ma'am. Yeah, I'm a VIP, so you got to give me whatever I want. So I want 1 fruit cake and 1 raspberry. I already have a... Oh, can I also have a Dr. Pepper? Of course. Okay, enjoy. Do you like your donut, sweetheart? Yay, Mommy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. How's your ice cream? It's good. Markiplier is so funny. Markiplier? You know that you're playing Sister Location, right? And sometimes Sister Location can be very funny. Like that right there. Oh, I got my glasses back on. That's good. It's okay, honey. Can you tell your baby to be quiet? Oh, I'm sorry. Just sometimes she has a bit trouble on takeoff. Don't bring the baby. I don't know. Excuse me. If you want her to stop crying, you should really get her donuts for her. You're her mother, you do it. Please, she wants me to hold her. Oh, fine.